Hey guys, so today I want to introduce two lights from LitONES and LitONES Light. They specialize in lightings for content creation and video conferences and so on. And they make high quality products with affordable price. So you definitely want to check out all the links down below after my video. Let's first start with F616. This is what you get. The main light, manual. This is the size that you get with a stand. This is for mobile phone holder. And this is the base. It's metal. So now let me start with LitONES Comfort Glow F616. So it's almost like about the size of the face. And by the way, they come in black as well as the white. So you can definitely decide which one you prefer. And setting up is super duper simple. The universal adapter hole and just stick in this pole. And I just realized it can be extended. And the bottom part, it goes into this stand. By the way, this stand is actually sort of really heavy. So it definitely gives you good stability. At the base, there is like sort of a very hard styrofoam. So once it's standing on the desk, then it doesn't scratch the surface of your desk. With this, you can actually extend it right up, but it's a little bit high for me. So let me just extend it a little bit and tighten it. And also put the mobile phone holder. So the mobile phone holder can either go in here or at the lower end, which is a little bit thicker. So here you have about like 4 dents, the plastic that comes up. So you can actually adjust accordingly. The string here is actually more than just above 180 centimeters. So you can use one of these, power socket. And since the string is very long, I can just plug it down anywhere. So since I'm using my laptop all the time, so I'm just gonna plug it in here and switch on the light. So here is the light. So here there's a plus, minus, and switch around button as well as the power button. So this is the brightest right now. And let me turn it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 brightness levels. And also the change button, what you can do is, this is cool light. So it was like the neutral light and then now it's the cool white light. And then this is warm light. It's actually more obvious to the eyes. I think on my camera it doesn't show as much, but I'm gonna show you with my face as the guinea pig. Hey guys, so right now I'm actually using my laptop camera. So you're seeing me inside my laptop. So I only have the room light, which is on the ceiling, and no studio light here. And also lit one is completely off. And what I'm gonna do is turn it on and just place it here. So this is what you see. It's so much better than without light. This is without lights. So you can definitely tell, even though it does automatically adjust, the camera on my laptop, it does automatically adjust, still, it's not good enough. So I'm definitely going to have the LitONES F616 turned on. So turned on. And it is a little bit bright because the light is very powerful and it's very close to me on my, small space of desk. So I'm just gonna dim it right down. Actually, right down is a little bit too down. About level 5, which I think makes my face look really good. My facial skin looks really good as well. And to show you guys, I'm gonna move from this is neutral white, cool white. So this is the cooler white, and also warm light. And this is warm light. So it definitely gives a little bit of different effects, but this is what you see on a laptop, on a laptop camera, laptop screen. So yeah, definitely an improvement. And if I switch it off, terrible. How about if you have 2 such lights? What will happen? Definitely you will see a huge difference compared to having just 1 light. And LitONES offer some promotion if you decide to buy 2 lights in a package. So hey guys, so right now I'm inside my laptop camera and none of the lights are turned on as yet. This is so convenient because you can rotate around, change the angle as you fit. But let me sort of adjust so that it looks good. It would actually shine on my face. So first, let me turn on this light. So right now my face looks, you know, a little bit dark, not lit up, but with this one turned on from this side, you can see that my face on this side is lit up. But having two lights definitely make a difference, because for example, if I turn my face around this way and that way, then the shadow can be a little bit dark on my face. So now let me turn on this light. So now you can really see that my face is lit up both ways. So no harsh shadow. My face lit up very balanced, very nice. It also makes my face sort of pop out within the video. So to recap, let me show you again. So this is my face with both lights turned on, and let me just turn them both off. Not very flattering. So let me turn on this light first. Yes, it's a huge improvement compared to no light. However, you do see a lot of shadow. You know, there's a room light over there. There's also light shining on this side. So the shadow can be a little bit harsh. So let me turn on this light. And you can see the face looks so much better. So having both lights on, it really helps. And with F616, what I really love is that you actually can adjust the angle. So this way and that way. Oh, it's so convenient. And because this surface is like the fill light effect, so nothing is harsh on the face, as you can already see on my face as the guinea pig. I'm gonna show you with mobile phone as well, you know, how it will look on mobile phone devices. So I'm just gonna place back my mobile phone here. It's so convenient that it comes with a mobile phone holder. It's really nice, you know, not having to buy anything additional. I love when everything is inside a box. So this is me with the neutral light. And first, let me show you what it's like when you turn it off. So this is what you get. Not too bad, but you know, the light in my room, it's sort of on that side. So it's not as nice as hitting it on my face. So I'm just gonna turn back on and do a little bit of auto adjustment, which is totally fine. It makes my skin look so much better. So now in the second half of the video, I'm gonna show you the more compact light, F682 Versa Glow. So this more compact light, it has only two components. So you can actually pretty much carry it anywhere. So all you need to do is, you know, there is a universal adapter hole. So you just need to screw this into the light. To make it secure, just need to make sure you tighten this. And you can actually sort of turn it around, you know, whatever direction that you need. And for my laptop here, just need to stand it like this and then tilt. This is all you need to do. So the length is same as the previous lighting, more than 180 centimeter in this string. So yeah, you can definitely just plug it in into your power socket with one of these adapters that you would have for your mobile phone. But I'm just gonna plug it onto my laptop. So here I'm back inside my laptop, and as you can see, the light, you know, the light inside the room tend to be in the middle on top. So it's definitely not shining on my face at my desk. So what I'm gonna do is turn on this light by pressing, but it's the most dim light. So I'm just gonna level it up. So this is level 1, and let me press plus. This is level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 can be a little bit too bright on your eyes. So I'm just gonna do about sort of level 6, 7. Then I think it looks totally good. Compare that against no light. So this is no light, absolutely horrible. It makes a lot of shadow on my face. And this is with the light. So this is the daylight white, and I'm gonna show you guys different modes as well. This is the most warm white, soft white, and this is the neutral white and cool white, and apparently this is the daylight white. So 10 different brightness levels and 5 different color temperature. So you get 50 different choice. So it's always so nice to have a lot of choice, 50 choice out there in this such a little compact device. To show you a little bit of detail, I've actually turned down the dimness to the lowest because otherwise, you know, it's shining too much on my face. But what is really nice is that, you know, look at how wide this is. So you can actually place it on any size of laptop, monitor, and so on, because this is so wide. So if the monitor is thick, then you can also use it. So once it's securely placed, like here, then all I need to do is just adjust. Really convenient. So this adjustment, you can go all the way, you can do 180 degrees. And there is a bit of rubber lining here. So it's very safe for your monitor. Like I feel, you know, it's not gonna scratch my monitor. And this goes around 360 degrees. So you can kind of use it as another studio light in different surface if you wish. And even this is wide, I said. You can actually extend it further. So I'm gonna show you guys the dimension here on the screen, but it really allows for any kinds of screens out there. And in this compact device, you can unfold this and you can place your mobile phone like this. I do have slightly biggish phone, but definitely it doesn't stop me from just holding it like this. And you can enjoy conference like this at the bottom here. So here there is like the rubbery bottom. So you can put it in a surface stably. So this is the view that you get using your mobile phone this way. So you can go completely hands-free for your video conference call and you can still enjoy the light. So what did you guys think about these two lights from LitONES? I think with these two lights from LitONES, I feel like I have complete studio lighting setup already. And the prices for these products are so affordable. So you definitely want to check out the links down below for more detail. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!